Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is There's a Card Thursday. Let's bring this up and I'll show you what we're going to be making today. This is a case card. Copy and share everything. And I cased this from page 18 of the Stampin' Up annual catalog. It's the least stepped up one, the one down here. And if you guys are interested, if you see a card you want to case and want to know what's used for it, now you can use the colors, you can use the technique, you can use the exact same thing if you want. Let me know, because I have access to almost every card in the annual catalog that has at least what the supplies are and sometimes what techniques they're using. So let me know. Not all of them, pages 73 to 79, something like that, are gone, but I have everything else. So anyhow, what we're going to be making today, I forgot something. We are going to be using the Painted Poppies and Peaceful Moments. We are going to be using Blushing Bride and Memento Black. For cardstock, we are using Sahara Sand. We are using Soft Seafoam, Mint Macaron. I already have all of these cut out, so that. And we're using a piece of Whisper White, 4 by 5 1/4. We are using a piece of, where is it? I know I have it here. Of the Peony Garden Designer Series paper. I'm using 1 inch by 5 1/4. Now you could use a little more if you wanted it, like 1 1/4 or whatever you have if you have scrap. Also, I am using I'm going to be using the seal, the dots, and Stampin' Dimensionals. I am also, where is it, using some pearls, and that should be about it. So first thing I'm going to do is make the Sahara Sand card base and put that aside. Okay, then I'm taking the Whisper White. And what I am going to do is I am going to, just with the Memento, I'm going to stamp about 4 of these, the little one and the big poppy, in a row, okay? However you like it. If you get them touching, that's okay. If you don't, that's fine too. And you want them however you want to stagger them. Remember, you're going to have something over here. Okay, now let me clean these because I need this one at least. Then I am going to take the multi-leaf one. See, I don't know where these go. The multi-leaf one, and I'm going to stamp some of the leaves in between these. And it's okay if you stamp off some. They don't all need to be on here. Okay, and let me clean that one off. Then I'm taking my Blushing Bride. I am going to take the big smudgy thing. I'm going to ink that up with Blushing Bride. And I'm going to do a stamp off, but I'm going to stamp on the big one and then stamp off on the little one, okay? And yeah, it is over the big one size, but that's still okay. Stamp off, stamp on, stamp off, okay? Simple as that. Now, I would normally then use this and I would stamp on the soft sea foam and then cut it out with the, what is it called? The painted labels die. But I already did that, so I'm just going to take 3 of these. Then I would, where is it? I would, with the mint macaron, I would cut out either using the label dies, or I've already used the timeless label punch on this because I just do a lot of those. And I would then, I'm going to put the thank you on here instead of what they have, because I need a thank you card. Well, let me see. Now I'm going to do the thank you. And then I'm going to take my glue dots, and I am on the front of the leaf. I'm going to put a glue dot towards the bottom, and I'm going to turn this over, and I am just going to put the leaves, 3 of the leaves on the back of that. Okay. And I'm going to take the peony garden. Yeah, the peony garden. And I am going to attach that to the side of the Whisper White. I forgot to cut it down a little bit. So it is 5 1/4, not 5 1/2, which I cut down. Let me grab my snips. Oh my. There. And then I'm going to put a couple of, well, let's first hook this to the, so I don't have to go over a couple of. And put a couple of stamping dimensionals on here. Even when you do the little fingernail thing, these Stampin' Dimensionals are getting harder and harder to come off. I think I sat on these. Just putting them there, then grabbing my pearls. And just putting a couple pearls there. Now, again, you can look in the catalog on page 18, and they have this stepped up 2 steps, so you can do even some more. But this is how it looks like. Please remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this is down below. I really would appreciate it if you shop with me today. MaryTroutner.stampinup.net. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.